Hey, what's going on YouTube? So I'm going to show you how to earn $10 per review for absolutely free. And I'm going to share with you how you can make money online. That's right. So every time you create a review, you're going to be making $10. So I'm going to show you the name of the website, and I want you to watch this video all the way to the end, because if you don't set this up correctly, and if you just put something together and don't properly do this, you're not going to be able to make $10 per review. So if this is your first time to my YouTube channel, welcome. My name is Andre. I create brand new videos. So make sure you go through here, and if you're someone who's not looking for a review, I have tons of different videos on here, like posting articles and making money, click and earn, type, and all those type of things. So there's something on here that can fit for you. And if you haven't followed me yet on Instagram, head on over to Instagram right now and go to Andre Network, and you can follow me. So far there's over 1,800 people, and I always consistently post in my stories. I'm big on stories, not so much on the timeline, but let's jump right into the video right away. So as I said to you before, I'm going to show you how to earn $10 per review for free online. Now we're going to head on over to this website, and this website is called g2.com. So g2.com, and basically on this particular website is where you go to buy software. So on this website, there are over 1 million authentic reviews that people are given for real users. So these are users that people that, they use a particular software, they use a particular product, and the first thing that they do, they go over to Google, and when they go to Google, the first thing they want to do is they're going to type in, for example, you type in Skype. So if you're someone who've never used Skype before, you want to go over to Skype, and you're going to see a ton of different reviews from different people, just like what you see right here. There's a rating, it's a 4.3. There's over 11 million votes. So you could see the different reviews that people are leaving, 5-star reviews. There's over 58,000 different reviews that people download from Apple. And of course, people always go onto Facebook group, Facebook page, and they do that stuff. So you're going to get paid just by leaving a review. So I'm going to share with you how you could do that. So here, there is Trello, there's Airtable, there's Teamwork, there's ClickUp. So the most popular software categories, that's what you're doing. So you're going to be doing reviews on these particular products. Now, the question is, do you have to particularly use the product? Well, if you can use the product, great. And you can talk about your particular experience. But I'm going to share with you how you can go out there and even find a different way of doing this. So here, it is a website that they have tons of different software products, as I mentioned. And if you scroll here, you can see where it says using software, write a review. So you can click on write a review here, or you can go at the top and you can write a review. So they're willing to pay you anywhere from $10 or more. So if you go to G2, if you go to G2.com, and if I log out right now, in order for you to join, you're going to click on this. These are the different accounts that you could join with. So you could join with your LinkedIn, you could sign in with your Facebook, you could sign in with Google, or your business account. These are 4 things that you could sign up for. So once you sign up for it, you'll have your name posted on here. As you can see, hi Andre. And you could see the different things that you can pick a role, and we'll show you how to, relate products and services and do different reviews. So if we're going to go to ecom, we're going to go to the ecom. You can type in Zoom, you can type in Skype, you can go to Cisco, you can go to Google Hangouts, and you can review one of these every time. You're going to review a different one. So perfect example, let's say we're going to review Zoom. So I'm just going to show you one for right now. So write a short review on one of the products that you use. So you could click on preview, and it's going to say that you need to log in order for you to do the review. So once you log in, I'm going to link my LinkedIn to it. right? So I just linked my LinkedIn because I have LinkedIn. So if you don't have a LinkedIn, you could create LinkedIn, or you could use Google Business, or you could do Google Business, or you can also do Facebook. So how likely would you like to recommend Zoom? I use Zoom all the time, so for me, it's going to be a 10. Title of your review. Now that means just like when you go on Google and you see different reviews, so I would say the experience with Zoom is amazing. Cool. Then I click next. What do you like best? So now I talk about what I like best about Zoom. I've used Zoom a lot. What I don't like about Zoom, I do that. And then you click next. So you're going to consistently do different topics, different reviews over and over again. Now, what if you don't have any knowledge about a particular product because you want to make a little bit of money, but you don't know how to actually do a review on a particular product? Don't worry, my friend. Perfect example, if you want to go to Zoom, you can head on over to Zoom, go on to Google, you can find different reviews. So as you can see right here, you could click on the app right here, and then you could find tons of different reviews. These are reviews that people are posting. These are reviews. These are 4 stars, 4 stars, 2-star reviews. And of course, you're going to have 1 star, you're going to have 2 stars, you're going to have 3 stars, 4 stars. It's just like anything. You can't please everybody, but the majority of people, they give it a 3.9 out of 5. That is good. That's a very good rating. So you can come on here and you can find the best review. And what you could do, you could just read the reviews, you could copy it, but you don't want to just put something together, because if you just slap something together and you don't properly do it, guess what? You're not going to be able to earn that $10 per review every time that you create this. So you want to make sure that you do it properly, and you want to do it in a good way where the review is good. So you can see what different experience people, and you can rewrite it. You create some ideas, go from there, and then you go over back to G2, and then what do you like best about it? What do you not dislike? So maybe you'll find some people with 2 stars, 3 stars. You can go through the entire thing, click next, go all the way down here, and then it's going to submit. And then once you submit and everything, then they will tell you exactly how all this works, how the payment method is going to work, what they're going to do for you, how the review system is going to work, and all that. So these are some of the things that and let's say you do Zoom and you want to create another one. You can create another one again. You don't have to just do one. You could go with Intercall Call Manager. You could go to RTC Hub, Watch and Learn, Skype. You can go to Dropbox. You can go to some of these things, BlackBerry Workspace, WooCommerce, Square Commerce, all that stuff, even Shopify. So you can consistently give reviews over and over again, and then you could go from there. So write reviews, and then you're going to be good to go. I appreciate you. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, become a part of the family, and also follow me on Instagram as well. So that way you could see what's going on, and I always consistently post in my stories. Catch you on the next video. Peace.